Fine. So let's finish the problem. Last step.
Oh yeah, divided by.
After integrating, we actually need to find average value, which is integral we just found. Integral gives you the whole thing, but we need it over the area. And the area will be, so the area actually will be almost the same. Pi b squared minus a squared. I can tell you how we found it, but the integral is pi squared b squared minus a squared. This is the area. This is the integral. Cancels out and gives you pi. So the area of D, area of that disk, so let's call D, is pi bigger radius squared, pi r squared, minus pi smaller radius squared. That's why I factored out pi becomes b squared minus a squared. It's a very typical area of the disk, of the ring. So actually it's nice to call it R, not D, of the ring, because it's difference between two areas, larger and smaller, and the gap, right, the smaller one. So first of all, the average value is independent of any variable, and it makes sense. The average of on the circle, but between two circles, is just pi. Thank you. Good point that you point out this. Let's do the quiz.
Woo!